Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha on Monday, Lulama is fearful that Vuyokazi and Officer Kampempe are getting closer to find out the truth about the supposed hijacking. On Tuesday, the honeymoon phase is quickly fading for Nontle in her new relationship. Lulama tries to cover her tracks. On Wednesday, Lulama's lies catch up with her. Nontle is left feeling unsettled after Sonwabile pulls a selfish move. Tulani finds himself in some hot water. On Thursday, the chasm grows between Nontle and Msimelelo, and she turns to Sonwabile for comfort. Another big fish threatens Hlumelo's operation. Lulama spins more lies to escape consequences. On Friday, Sonwabile's bold move to stand up for Nontle causes more problems than he had hoped. After surviving a near-death attack, Tulani's version of events leaves everyone confused. Thank you for watching.